So we're gonna run through another car wash here. Just need to wash my car, and this one is called the Jet Bright. The Jet Bright car wash. Right there. So we're gonna do a Jet Bright car wash. This car wash is longer, so we'll see, how it works. It's longer than the ones I'm used to. So I said, let me check it out. Jet Bright car wash. So let's go see what's going on with the car wash. You can see all the lanes that you can use to get in, and we'll get into this lane. And do just the light wash for today. So let's see how this works. So basically you start from here. Is a touch screen. It's a touch screen to accept terms and buy car wash. So we're going to start from here and see how it goes.
Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen.
Let's see. Let's do the light car wash.
Please select Extra Services. When completed, select the Finish Selecting button located at the bottom of the screen.
So I'm going to do no upgrade. So that's it, $3 car wash, and it comes back here with $2.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead, and thank you again for your car wash purchase.
All right, so thank you. So we can proceed now to do our car wash. Let's go see how this stuff works. So here we go into the Jet Bright car wash. it is. So I put the car in neutral, and then the car wash starts operating. All these car washes, they are all different. This one, like I said, is longer, and let's see the job it would do. All that noise is all the brushes washing the car, and then you have the soap. So for those who want to have a feel for how a car wash works, this is it right here. So you're going through what I call a virtual car wash. And the car itself is just moving on a belt. You know, it has the wash, the shampoo, and everything. I even think I like this one better. This one is kind of smooth. Without getting out of the car, I can tell that the car is really washed. So I think you have an awesome day. I intend to. That didn't take too long. You can see it's a $3 car wash, free vacuuming. That's what it says on the sign over there. You know, you can download their app, and they are right here in Bolingbrook, right on Clo International Parkway and Weber Road. And the free vacuuming is provided right here. You can see the vacuuming stations. So for those who are interested in vacuuming their car, they can easily come over here and get their cars vacuumed, and it's free. It's free. Like I said, this car wash here is much better than most that I've been through, but it just works very well. It just works very well. So if you were to if you want to, you can easily go into one of the stores and then get your free vacuuming done. So today I'm just showing you how you can get that done. However, I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm pretty much satisfied that the car is pretty much washed and about to get out of here to go and run my errands. And there it is. That's the car wash for you. And you head out here, tells you thank you for choosing Jet Bright. And that will end our car wash run for today. See the bunch of dogs on the road. By law, you have to watch out for the dogs. That's just the way it is. Pretty cool. That was a nice car wash. My car feels much better for it. And so we're going to end where we started from, as we see the Jet Bright car wash over here. So I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next video.